Okay, we have 2 examples left on this page. So I want for you to pause me and try 15 and 16 on your own and see how you do at this point on those 2 problems. Remember, this is finding area, this is finding perimeter, and we're going to go back and finish 15 after you've paused me and done those 2. Okay, so on this one, we know that x is 11.7. We still have this third side to find, so we can find that third side. Oh, we don't, yeah, because it's perimeter, we have to add up all sides. So I'm just going to use Pythagorean Theorem. So 34 squared plus 11.7 squared equals that c squared. So on my calculator, I'm going to do 34 squared plus 11.7 squared, press enter. And then I'm going to second square root that because I'd have to square root both sides to get c squared down to c. So I get the perimeter, or no, I get c as 35.95, so that would actually round that up to 36. So now for perimeter, you're going to add up all sides. You're going to do 34 plus the 36 plus the 11.7. And you get perimeter equals 81.7. All right, I'm going to go back up top to number 14. We're finding area here. They've given me this angle. So this is opposite and this is adjacent. So that's tangent again. So tangent of 32 is equal to opposite, which is x, over adjacent, which is 24. Put this over 1. Cross multiply, and I get x equals 24 times the tangent of 32. So this one, there's no division needed. So we just do 24 times the tangent of 32, and we get 14.99. So x equals, round to the nearest tenth, would actually round to 15. But they want us to find area. So area is base times height, so 24 times 15 divided by 2. The base and the height make the 90-degree angle. So we get area equals 180. All right, one more. We need perimeter on this guy. So here's my angle. We're going to label this with x. This is opposite, this is adjacent, so this is tangent of 44. Equals opposite, which is 62, over adjacent, which is x. Put this over 1. Cross multiply, x times the tangent of 44 equals 62. Divide everything by the tangent of 44 so I can get rid of it over here. So now I do 62 divided by the tangent of 44, and I get x equals 64.2. So that is right here, 64.2 is that length. But we're finding perimeter again on this one, so I need that third length. So Pythagorean Theorem again. A squared, which is 62 squared, plus 64.2 squared, b squared equals c squared. So 62 squared plus 64.2 squared. Oops. That answer, I'm going to square root that answer so I can get the c squared down to just a c, and I get 89.25, so that'd be 89.3 rounded. Now they want perimeter, so you just add up all the sides. So 89.3 plus 64.2 plus 62. $215.5. Okay, so homework for this section, you have 2 things actually I want you to do. There is a 7.5 Schoology homework assignment for you to do. And then there's also going to be a 7.4b Schoology homework assignment that I want you to do. That goes off of this page in your note packet. So what you're doing is this goes back to the 30, 60, 90 triangles and 45, 45, 90 triangles. So if you need to look back at those notes, make sure to do so. So it's like a crossword puzzle. So on number 1, you're doing these triangles and you're finding the missing side lengths. So this one will go on 1 across, the answer to that. Okay. Answers in some boxes will be simplified radicals, just so you know. So if they're not whole numbers, they'll be simplified radicals like this guy. Okay. Then you'll enter in your answers into Schoology off of this. Okay. So those are your 2 homework assignments for this section.